Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a YouTube unboxing. Guess what I got in the box today, fam? It says 3 business day, but they ship it here next day air. I bought this on Saturday. Today's Tuesday morning, like at 1 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. Guess what's in the box? Well, let's open up, huh? Well. If you've been watching me on live stream, you know what I already got in the box. From Kentucky, Shepherdsfield, Kentucky. I think that's near Lexington, Kentucky. That's one of the UPS hubs. I used to live in Dayton, Ohio, so 2 hours away from Lexington. Oh man, I can't even open it, bro. What the hell? Made a Ray-Ban. I saw it inside. Yes, sir. Made a Ray-Ban Skylar. I'm excited. You know what kind of content are coming, right? Fucking Texas Hold'em at the casino, boy. Texas Hold'em at the casino. You know what's up. You know what's coming. Shit. Hopefully it fits, huh? Hopefully it fits. Ooh. Only 300. Shit. It's not like, what, 100 more than a regular pair of Ray-Bans? Oh shit, look at that, look at that. Oh man. All right, let's open it up. I think it comes partially charged, partially. Oh shit. Rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll. Ooh, yes sir. Looking stylish. How you like me now? I apologize. I haven't done unboxing for a minute, for like a year now, huh? But can't wait to test these out, boy. Can't wait to test these out. Closer look, huh? So the lens are right here, and right here, and I guess you guys just have to subscribe, turn on notifications, subscribe, turn on notifications for more Meta Ray-Bans videos, photos, whatever. I'm thinking about going to a casino up in Black Hawk, play some Texas Hold'em. Shout out to my dude ISO. Shout out to my dude Mike Houston, and also shout out to Fishing with Cambodian and Mike 213, huh? You know, all these fucking Asians love to gamble, huh? Fucking gambaholics. All right. Yeah, man. $300 plus tax. So in Denver, it's 8.5. If you live in Lone Tree, Littleton, it's 4%. They don't have these in stock, at least not in Denver. You know, I don't think it's flying off the shelves like that. You know. I bought it and it's here next business day, so looking forward to it. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.